So today I'm going to start with a very not an easy song, to be honest. It's a very popular request, Sam Carter from the Architects, and the song I chose is "Gone with the Wind." Yeah, this song, for some reason, it really touches me. And what I did, I listened this song over and over again. I'm not gonna tell you that I know exactly what he felt when he wrote this song, but it definitely touches me. It brought up many different emotion in me when I listened this song. So I'm gonna talk about particularly this song today. All right, so let's do it. It's exciting. Okay, so. All right. I don't want to stop it, but I need to. I have to. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you very honestly, when I very first heard this song and he started to scream like, oh God, I was like, oh, that's a lot of screaming. What's happening here? But then I listened over and over again and I started to kind of absorb the voice, the scream, the technique, the lyrics, the words, the emotions, until it got me very deep. Okay. Many people wants to learn to scream or wants to learn this technique because it's fun. If that's what you want, forget it. You're not gonna learn, because being able to scream like this requires something that you want to scream out loud. You want to express. You need to have some kind of pain and frustration and anger that you want to let go. In this particular song, he does something that I call separately screaming, and he does distortion as well. I consider distortion when you sing clean, but you add some kind of rasp. That's what I call distortion. Screaming is the screaming when is like there is a very small amount of pitch. So he does both. In the verse, he's screaming, which I consider more screaming, and in the chorus, he does more distortion. But you need belting for this technique, and you need to know how to do false chord scream and fry as well. Both a little bit of fry. The not full fry. The reason why we need fry for this is because the fry always relaxes your chords a bit. When you do screaming, when you do distortion, the coordination of the false chord are more tight. But when you do fry, it's relaxed. It's always so relaxed. So that will help you to actually kind of finding that right balance, not to scream too much, but relax a little bit more. What I would say he sings about here. Do you remember when you said to me, my friend, hope is a prison, hope is a prison? What I feel here, that he's someone who is trying to have faith, but for some reason he's losing it at the end. Faith is something that you can't touch, you can't feel, you can't smell, you cannot do anything unless you have faith. It doesn't matter what you believe in, but you cannot live without faith. It could be the smallest faith, like in the morning you have faith in, if I wake up, I'm able to start my day. I have faith if I drink my coffee that I'm gonna feel better. So it could be faith in anything. We need to have, otherwise there is no point of waking up. It's easy to have faith when everything is fine, but you need faith when it looks like the worst is happening. Don't look for the faith in the outer world. Look for the faith in you. Because if you believe in yourself, if you have the faith in yourself, you can do anything you want. And I'm telling you, 100%, I have no doubts in this state. If you believe in yourself, if you have faith in yourself, doesn't matter what's happening in the outer world, you can make your life. You can make that life you want if you believe you can do it. But of course, if you believe, if you have faith in the outer world, you are always going to lose your faith. It's cliche, it is, but it's true. Your world is the reflection of who you are. So that's why you need to have faith in yourself. So, like I said, if you go back to the technical part, for the verse, you need a screaming approach, not distortion. Screaming approach is when there is almost no pitch, almost. So like a, you know. In this case, you're using your falsetto and fourth chord, which sounds like this, like, but when you use chest voice with the fourth chord, sounds different. So here in the verse, you need the falsetto approach, like na 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 na. That's what you need to get here. From falsetto to fourth chord, which you can practice like this. First of all, again, you need to be able to do a very straightforward falsetto, like ha 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 he 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 he, and then do this na 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 na. So that's how it starts. First, just one note at a time. He 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 he, like this. And then you can try to do it without lyrics, just like na 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 na. That's how you do it. In the chorus, when we use belting, that's a distortion approach, when there is kind of clean and a tiny bit of rasp on the clean, like this. That's a little bit tighter approach, and you need more support here. This is really high actually, so you need to be very careful. So let's say you're starting here. That's what you need to be able to do without lyrics first. And then adding the lyrics once you have that. Okay? But at first, just step by step. Be able to do this sound up there without the lyrics. Then you can try just vowels. You can try just words. And then you can do the full lyrics. Step by step. Stay safe. The most important thing is do everything in a healthy way, in a safe way. All right? So at first, learn belting. Learn the clean. Always tell you that at first, make sure that you know the technique, you know the clean inside out, inside and outside, in and out. Yeah, you know what I mean. So if you can cover a song clean, without any push, without any force, without any pain, fantastic. Then you can move on to the sound effects like fourth chord scream or distortion or fry. Okay, so it's a C sharp 5, which is way above our bridge. If you don't know what the bridge is when the gap when you go from one register into another. So like I always go with the wind. So that would be the clean approach. So you need to be able to sing this height without any kind of push or strain. And when you have this, then you can move on to fourth chord. Yeah, that's that kind of nice and heavy fourth chord and distortion. So you need actually fourth chord mainly for this. You need to learn how to coordinate the distortion, the fourth chord for distortion and for scream, because the coordination of the scream and distortion are different when you use fourth chord. But both is fourth chord, happens by the fourth chord. So if you want to know more about this particular technique, you can click on the link below in the video and you can join our membership site. You will find a video there where I give you exact exercises, what you need to do in order to reach this technique and this sound. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. and feel free to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.